Good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive here by data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, I can understand English and then I can speak in English.
Very good. If you don't know how to communicate with your employer, you better stay in the Philippines because there is no point of coming here. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am. I have 100%.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Yes, I have. I have my cousin.
So a lot of you got cousin here in Malaysia. What happened?
What, ma'am?
You have cousin also here in Malaysia.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So remind yourself that you come here to work and not to meet up with your cousin or any friends or any family members. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
No, ma'am. I'm very healthy.
Okay. So if you feel
Yes.
unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time. Okay.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Do you have any tattoos in your skin?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, it's not the first time. It's my second time.
All right, then why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia? Why did you choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
Because Malaysia is a good country.
Who told you Malaysia is a good country? You haven't been here.
My cousin, because my cousin told me that Malaysia is very good country.
How many years your cousin working here?
More than 10 years.
Do you know which part of Malaysia she was designated?
Kuala Lumpur.
Kuala Lumpur. Is your cousin is a runaway one?
Only one.
No.
She
Did she
refused.
run away or what? Is it her employer since then?
Yes.
Sure.
One lawyer, yes, yes, sure.
All right. Can you help me introduce yourself? I'm sorry to ask, but of course, we already knew someone or some people or some workers, right, that intend to come here, but suddenly they run away. Okay? We don't want to happen such a thing like that. So we
Yes,
wanted to be, you know, okay?
yes,
All right. Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
yes, yes, ma'am. Good day, ma'am. I am Pamela Sabangan and I'm 38 years old. I was born in August 24, 1987, and I live in Salvacion, Caramuran, Catanduanes, Philippines. And I'm married and I have two kids. My eldest son is 16 years old, and my second daughter is 13 years old. I already have experience working abroad way back to 2015 to 2019 in Amman, Jordan. Back then, when I went to back to the Philippines, I start to sari-sari store on my own. But later, 2024, it's gone my sari-sari store.
Why is gone? What happened to your sari-sari store?
But I cannot handle properly. But
So money go away.
yeah, yeah. But I must assure you, ma'am, I'm a hardworking and fast learner. That's it.
All right. Okay. Thank you for your introduction, Pamela. But I would like to know some
Yes.
few more details from you first. All right. So, how old is your husband, and what is
Yes.
his occupation?
My husband is 39 years old and his occupation is a backhoe operator.
Bank operator.
Backhoe, yeah, heavy equipment.
All right. So, what is your height and your weight?
5 flat and my weight is 65.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Roman Catholic. Is your husband allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, very sure, ma'am.
All right. So who will going to take care of your children later once you come to work here?
My mother.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
My mother is housewife and she is 72 years old.
What about your father?
My father is senior citizen, but none of business, none working.
How many brother and sister do you have?
My brother's three brothers and I have four sisters.
Sorry, how many brother?
Three brothers and four sisters.
What is your rank in your family?
I'm number four.
You are the fourth. All right. So in Jordan, you mentioned that you have a working experience way back 2015 to 2019. You worked there for
Yeah.
3 years or 4 years?
4 years,
4 years.
ma'am.
Can you share it with me? What is your job responsibilities inside your previous employer house?
My responsibilities for Mom and Jordan's, I was domestic helper. I do cooking, cleaning. That's it, mom.
You do the laundry ironing?
Yeah. I make a laundry.
So there is no children inside the house.
Have children, children,
So did you
two
prepare?
daughters. No, that is all. It's already big.
Oh, so do you have any companion inside the house or you were the only helper?
I'm only one.
All right. So how many total family members inside the house?
There are three, four. There are five.
What happened? Why you didn't continue working with this employer?
I pay the employers and agency.
Sorry, because you've been working for them for 4 years, right?
Ah,
So what
yeah.
happened? Why
Sorry.
you didn't continue working with this employer? Why did you suddenly or decided to go back home in the
Ah,
Philippines?
because I earn money, so I start to sari store. That's it,
Oh,
mom.
so you think that Sari Sari store can survive you for a lot of years? Then you regret it, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course,
That's it.
Sari store cannot get along, you know? You only got small profit in it.
Yeah,
But
you're right,
as
mom.
you have
Yeah.
mentioned a while ago that you don't know how to handle your money. So next
Yes,
time once you come to work here, you need to save and don't spend too much also, right? You need to save
yes, mom.
money once you come to work here in Malaysia. After 2019 and after recently you are a full-time mother and you opened a sari sari store, correct?
Yes, yes, mom.
All right, so it's not new for you working as domestic helper because you already got experience in Jordan. All right, but I would like to let you know that working here in Malaysia is quite different in Jordan.
Yeah.
Employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. Houses here is quite big, really no joke. So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. I will do my best.
You need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby?
Yes,
Can you take care elderly people while doing the house chores?
yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am. That
What variety of cuisine if you know how to cook?
I love cooking, ma'am.
Okay, so what variety of cuisine you can prepare if you know how to cook or if you love cooking?
I love cooking like Philippine food, like adobo.
Mm.
But I know how to cook, ma'am.
But you are willing to learn some new recipes like Malaysian foods, Chinese foods, Western
Yes.
foods. You're
Yes,
willing to
ma'am.
learn.
I'm willing to learn.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, this is a 2 years contract. You already knew it because you are an ex-OFW. You know
Yes,
that
ma'am.
any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract without cause, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. Okay?
Yes.
Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you're not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, the employer will going to compensate your salary. And you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours because you are working. But you can hold
Yeah.
it during night time only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am, I'm okay.
As I have mentioned many times, many times, we don't force people to come here. If you are okay with our terms and conditions, fine, work properly, don't give us problem. But if you disagree, it's fine also. Just don't give us problem, okay? You can stay in the Philippines or
Yes,
find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah?
yes, ma'am.
So right now, we have a 2,100 ringgit every month in our contract. But if you will work, you could have 2,400 ringgit, all right? It is more than 30 plus in our peso, in our currency. So please, if we selected you, please show the quality how the Filipino works, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you think you can finish your 2 years contract? Do you think you can demand too much?
Yes, ma'am, I can finish that 2 years.
So I don't want later that you guys will keep on demanding. Always remind yourself that you come here to work and not to demand too much, not to complain too much. Remind yourself
Mm,
that you come here to work to sustain your family's needs and to give a
yes,
better future for your children also at the same time. All right?
yes, ma'am.
I always remind you guys, okay? In Philippines, we can be the boss, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer as this is not our country. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you, Pamela. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay? Thank you so
Yes,
much
ma'am.
and have a good day. Bye.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.